Tired of drowning in paperwork? Let's turn the chaos into clarity by mastering QuickBooks for your business bookkeeping. First, we'll set up your company file by entering your business name, industry, and tax information. Choosing the correct industry helps QuickBooks tailor its features to your specific needs. Next, let's navigate your chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your financial reporting. Review the pre-existing categories, add any that are missing, and ensure everything aligns with your business operations. Now, we'll record income by clicking New and selecting Invoice or Sales Receipt. Enter the customer details, the product or service sold, and the amount received. Be sure to categorize it correctly to keep your income reporting accurate. Recording expenses is just as easy. Go to New again, and this time select Expense or Bill. Input the vendor, payment method, and categorize the expense appropriately. Let's talk efficiency. Utilize bank feeds to automatically import transactions. Simply connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks and watch the transactions flow in. Categorize and match these imported transactions to your existing records. QuickBooks learns from your choices, making future categorization even faster. Crucially, reconcile your bank and credit card accounts monthly. Compare your QuickBooks records with your bank statements to identify any discrepancies and ensure accuracy. Finally, generate essential financial reports. Run a profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement to gain valuable insights into your business's financial health. These reports can help you make informed business decisions and track your performance over time.